Hey guys, it's Keisha. So I look like a mess right now. I'm about to go to bed. I'm just making lunch for tomorrow. I'm just making my hubby's lunch for tomorrow. But I wanted to come on and let y'all know where I've been. I've been kind of on YouTube, like watching videos a little bit, but not as active as I've been in a while. We're still preparing to move and all that. We've been having really bad weather here. We had 2 tornadoes hit our town yesterday, and it's been crazy. With the rain, the tornadoes, it's just people without electricity everywhere. So just been crazy. So I want to let y'all know that I'm watching videos. I'm watching videos when I can, and I'm trying to get caught up. So bear with me. It's gonna be a lot of craziness the next few days. So I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know. Please keep us in your prayers and just pray for the state of Texas, just everywhere. There's a lot of weather disasters going on right now, so just pray everybody stays safe. And there's a lot of people that lost their homes and property and everything, so it's really sad. So yeah, I hope y'all are having a good week. I'll be back to my normal self soon and get all caught up on videos. I have so many videos to watch, and so I'm gonna get caught up once work calms down a bit and family. Just done a lot of family activities, and so yeah, so I will talk to y'all soon. Take care.